Hey my cookies! Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a shrimp boil in a pressure cooker. Let's cook. First, pour water or chicken stock into the pressure cooker. I'm using water and then I'm going to add in a chicken bouillon cube. Don't add in a chicken bouillon cube if you're using chicken stock, of course. And then we're going to need some crab oil. I'm using the garlic and onion one. I love the flavor of it. And I'm also going to go back to my Old Faithful, the concentrated version. We're going to use some of that as well. So now I'm just going to add in both of those shrimp boils. And we can't have a boil without some Cajun or Creole seasoning. So I'm going to add that in now and then just stir it all together. I'm using the tiny little boiling potatoes. I'm going to add those in the bottom. I don't cut them because they're so small that they may fall apart during the cooking process. So I'm going to leave those whole. Now we can add in our sausages. I'm using chicken sausage, but use your favorite. Now we can add in our corn. They're still a little bit frozen and that's cool. Now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more of that Cajun or Creole seasoning on top of everything. Throw in some bay leaves. Now place the lid on top and lock it. Make sure the pressure release is locked as well. And we're going to cook this on high pressure for 5 minutes. Okay, when the 5 minutes are up, we're going to do a quick release of the pressure. When all that steam is gone, we can open the lid and the smell is going to slap you in your face because it smells incredible. And as you can see, the potatoes are already fork tender, just how we like it. Okay, so now we can add the shrimp right on top. Now we're going to squeeze some juice from half of a large lemon over the shrimp. We're going to add some more Cajun seasoning only because we're pressure cooking and it can handle it. I know it seems like a lot of seasoning, but sometimes the flavor can be lost while pressure cooking, so you add a tad bit of extra seasoning. Alright, same thing. Put the lid back on, lock the little thing, but only allow it to cook for 1 minute on high pressure. When this is over, do another quick release of the pressure again, and then just take a moment to tell God thank you for the smell when you open this thing. Okay, so now as you can see, the potatoes have just split in half, so you didn't have to cut them. That's why I didn't. Okay, we would have had a big mush. But okay, you want to stir it all, carefully stir it so that the shrimp can have their moment down there in that good old liquid. And then we're just going to let everything just sit there, soak, mind its business while we work on the seafood sauce. Okay, first you want to catch this Land O'Lakes butter on sale, okay, and then melt that down. When that melts, add in your minced garlic. Saute that around for about a minute. Don't burn my garlic or you will miss your blessing. Okay, you want to strain off a cup of the boiling liquid, the liquid that's in the shrimp pot and stuff, and pour that in. Then pour in the Worcestershire sauce. I got that word, y'all, and can't nobody take it from me. Whoa, glory. Some onion powder, some Italian seasoning, some cayenne pepper, and paprika. A little bit more of that garlic and onion, shrimp and crab boil, the liquid stuff. Cracked black pepper, and you want to add Cajun or Creole seasoning to taste. Oops, almost forgot. Add in that lemon juice, and then we're going to give it a stir and allow it to simmer for about another minute or two, then turn off the heat. And that's our seafood sauce. Give it a stir because it's butter and it's going to separate, but hey, it's all good. And cookies, that is it. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. I like to drizzle that sauce all over the boil, but make sure you leave a little bit for dipping the shrimp. Until next time, cookies, thank you so very much for watching. I'm about to tear this up. Be blessed.